Welcome. If you've ever sent a message on Instagram and instantly wished you could take it back, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unsend a message from chat on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. This is a quick and easy process, and it's perfect for those moments when you want to keep your conversations tidy or correct a mistake. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your chats and messages. Once you're on the main page, look to the left menu and find the Messages icon. It usually looks like a paper airplane or an envelope. Click on this icon to open your direct messages. Now scroll through your conversations and select the chat where you want to unsend a message. Once you're inside the chat, take a moment to find the specific message you want to remove. Hover your mouse over that message, and you'll see 3 dots appear next to it. These 3 dots are the key to more options. Click on the 3 dots, and a small menu will pop up. From here, simply select Unsend. Instagram may ask you to confirm your choice, just to make sure you really want to remove this message. Click Unsend again in the confirmation window. And that's it. The message disappears from both your chat and the recipient's view. It's as if the message was never sent at all. This feature is especially useful if you've sent something by mistake or want to keep your conversations private and clutter-free. A quick reminder. Once you unsend a message, it's gone for good and can't be recovered. The other person won't get a notification, but they might have already seen the message before you removed it. So use this feature wisely. Now, you know how to unsend a message from chat on Instagram using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with friends who might need it. Happy messaging!